Hello, assalamu alaikum, welcome back to my YouTube channel. What's cooking in Zahara's kitchen today? Maanta waxaan nihayaa bariis Somali. Bariis Somali oo aad u fudud. The most easiest, foolproof Somali rice you can ever make. It's so delicious and so tasty. Look at just how fluffy that rice looks. Bariiskaas oo saas u furfursan ayaa maanta nitusaya saa u sameeyay. waxaana ka bilaabeynaa bariiska nooca isticmaalay. Bariiskana isticmaalay waxaa loo yaqaanaa Sela rice. It's not basmati maaha, basmati laakiin wuu ka imaada bariiskan. This I'm using Sela rice. Sela rice is derived from basmati, I believe. So yeah, make sure you wash your rice and until the water is clear. As you can see, the spices I'm using here are cumin seeds, coriander seeds, and a few peppers. حواجيga inta isticmaali doona waxay tahay xawaaji burbur, xawaaji dhudhub iyo kasiro filfil ah. Intaas wax yar duwena. I have used 2 teaspoons of spices. Just toast this on medium heat, and then you can literally just transfer this and crush it with pestle and mortar, or you could literally just blend it. And if you have the powdered ones, you can just use the powdered ones. Okay, because we're cooking 3 cups of rice, depends on how much you're making, but this recipe I'm using 3 cups of rice. So I'm going to add in 1 cup of oil, as you've seen, and then 1 whole chopped onion. Bariiska karinayo waxaa waaye 3 koob oo bariis ah. Marka adi inta karsanaysa aday kugu xiran tahay, laakiin for this recipe waxaa isticmaalayna 3 koob oo bariis ah, 1 xabo oo basal ah oo la jarjaray, and then 4 toon oo cloves, 4 cloves of garlic crushed, and then 1 teaspoon of crushed ginger, isinjibil, and then just saute that until your onion is brown and caramelized. And then I have, as you can see, I am adding 1 dried lemon. That's completely optional. 1 stick of cinnamon. That's a must. Like, literally makes your rice smell so good. And then 4 pieces of cardamom. 4 xabo oo hayl ah iyo 1 xabo oo kharfa ah iyo liinta khalalan hadaad ku darsan kartaa, hadaad ka dhaafi kartaa. Also, 1/2 teaspoon of turmeric is what I've added. This is completely optional. You're going to have like a colored yellowish rice. If you want completely white rice, that's up to you. waxyaro waxaa ku darsaday huruud daartu waa ka dhaafi kartaa, qasab ma ahan. haddii bariis cad aa rabtid, then huruud ka day. laakiin bariiska kala rawro sadarteeda ugu daray, iyo waxaa ku daray iyo 1 qaando oo coriander powder ku daray. So bariiskii waa kana biyaha laga daadiyay, and then bariiskii marka saliidii wixii isku shiilmeen ayaa waxaa ku shubaynaa bariiska, and then stir fry that. Intaas isku shiil wax yar kadib. Hot boiling water is what I usually use for my rice. So as you can see, I will be adding 5 cups of hot water. 5 koob oo biyo karkaraayo ayaa ku shubaysaa bariiska. Biyaha ka badinin, bariiskaaga furfur ma ahaan doono. Hadaa biyahaaga sii badisid, hadaana ku yareysin bariiskaaga ceeriin uu noqonaya. Just make sure you don't add less water and do not add more water. Just use the ones I'm using. For every cup of rice, use 2 cups of water. And then add salt to your taste. I've also added chicken stock. You can add chicken stock or just salt. Maraq digaag yara ku shubay 2 qaando. hadaa maraq digaag aad rabin, cusbo waa ku shuban kartaa, dhadhanka adigu kugu xiran yahay. Marka cusbada sidaad u qiyaaso, ani sida ugu darsaday waxay ahayd 2 qaando maraq digaag iyo nus qaando oo cusbo ah. Kadib bariiskii dabkii ku sii karkaro for 10 minutes, literally 7 to 10 minutes. bariiska markuu wax yar karo oo biyo yar uu ku jiro, bariiska dhan ha gidgidin. Make sure you do not over stir your rice. You will end up breaking the rice. As you can see, it's cooked but not very thoroughly. It's going to cook when you steam it. And then this part is completely optional. I mean, it's not Somali rice if you don't add food coloring. So as you can see, I am using a very strong food color. just add a little bit. Depends on the color you want. You can add green, orange, and yellow. I think those are the 3 most popular colors that we usually use for our rice. I didn't have yellow, but I've added orange and green. Food color markaa ku darteed, make sure, very, very important, in a bariiskaaga daboshid. As you can see, I'm using parchment paper to cover my rice, and then make sure you turn your heat very, very low so that the rice could steam. Make sure it steams for at least good 10 minutes, and then voila, look at that. Bariiskaaga huri. Very, very important na bariiskaaga hurisid. Okay? Dabka ugabi. You can also put the entire bariis like pan inside the oven. Make sure you preheat your oven and then turn it off, and then that heat is really good for the rice. And look at how fluffy that looks. Absolutely beautiful. And guys, oh my god, bariiskan siduu u carfoon yahay uma malaysan kartiin. Aad iyo aad uuna u fudud yahay. And then serve it and eat with anything you like. Absolutely delicious. So for this foolproof recipe, the description of all the recipe, it will be down below. And make sure you follow, subscribe, and comment, and let me know what you want me to upload. Look how gorgeous that looks. And then I have just garnished it with a caramelized onion and sultanas, or raisins as you know them. Saliid yar kor ugu shubay iyo basal oo la dubay. Sidaa rabto waxaad kor ka saari kartaa. Usually waxaa saaranaa chips. Up to you. I will see you guys on my next video. Make sure you like, subscribe,